Good morning mga katropa. Medyo busy ako ngayon kaya hindi nakakapag-fishing kasi meron akong general cleaning in my backyard. So I just want to gusto kong linisin mo itong backyard ko kung may rabies. This is the second day of cleaning now. So eto sila ngayon, 6 na tao ang nagtatrabaho ang isang escape. Yan sila, yung backyard ko so dirty. So nag-ano sila, naglilinis. Pinapuputol ko lahat ng puno ko, lahat ng bamboo ko sa ano, sa bakod ko. Pinapuputol ko dahil ginagawa ko ang bakod ko. Tumis yung place ko eh. Halos ilang mag-isang taon na hindi ko nalilinis, kaya binibidyo sila. Yan sila. Okay, huh? Say hello. Hey,
I'll sign autographs later.
Tell your name. James.
I'm Phil, and I'm the boss.
Yeah.
So no one mess with me.
Yeah, and if someone want to, are you alright like that?
Sorry?
If someone want to hire you or things like that, is that alright?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah.
Okay.
We're great on big jobs.
Yeah.
We are the best. We are the champions.
Yeah, that's how you. So if you want, if in your backyard you want to clean, this is the Phil. This is Phil. James mowing. You can contact. I'll put his number after this, and then you can contact if you want to clean up your backyard. Big mess on my backyard. Big mess. It's a sort of advertisement to your.
Hello. My name's Lisa.
Yeah.
I'm the boss's wife.
And the boss wife.
Yep.
So if you need mowing services,
That's it. Yeah.
what's your number?
Just call us. Phil from James Lawn and Garden Care in Pimpama. 04 238 10238.
Alright, one more.
Thank you.
Ito yung nagtatrabaho sa aking lugar. Ayan. Every month sila naglilist ng aking ngayon isang big general cleaning, and then after this one buwan-buwan silang dadalaw dito para i-maintain yung cleanliness ng aking backyard. Kaya kung sino ang gusto magpalinis sa mga kaibigan kong Pinoy dito sa Australia, kaya lang ang tatawagin. Napakabuti ng mga tao at masisipag, mababait pa. James Lawn and Garden Care. ko yung side ko dahil masyadong madumi na. Pinalis ko yung mga rainbow dahil nasisira na yung bubong ko. So 6 na tao ang nagtatrabaho ngayon sa backyard. James Mowing ang agency nila. Kasi gagawin ko ang bako dito sa side eh. Gagawa ko ang bako. Yun, dapat ko na ito yung bako na yun. Yung mga nagdaang mga typhoon dito, maraming dry leaves na nalaglag. Ayan o. Kaya naano ko itong aking bakuran na ang pinapalinis. Pinakakat ko lahat ng trees ko sa taas. Ayan o. Itong kabila ko na side, ang kalahati hindi pa gawa ang bakod. Yung doon sa hulihan, ang kalahati gawa ng bakod. Kasi ano yun eh, hindi ko tumalagyan ng bako dahil puro kawayan. Kaya ngayon eh, pinalilinis ko. Kaya sila maraming sa akin ay na aking harapan ng bahay ko. Ayan mga kawayan na yan ang mga kawayan na nilalagay sa skip. May big skip silang dala. Pang-apat na ito eh, simula pa kahapon. Nakatakto na kami kahapon eh. Nakatakto na kami kahapon, pang-apat ito. Kaya medyo malaking gastos, pero okay lang. Basta malinis. Sila working very hard sila, mga Australian yan, mga Australian people, they are working very hard. Ito ang boss na nila. Ipakikita ko pag nalinisan nila, ipakikita ko ang nakita nyo kung gano'n kadumi ang aking bakuran. Pero pagkatapos ko na mamaya may video na ko clear na. Nanto ko sa dulong-dulo ng aking backyard. Malaki pa ang lugar ko sa likod. Pwede pang tayo na isang bahay. Malaki ang lote ko. Itong likodan, nagawa ko na ang bakod eh. Ayan na ang bakod eh. Hanggang doon. Kaya lang duduktong ako pa ngayon dahil hindi ko makagawa yun dahil may mga kawayan. Kaya pinapuputol ko yung mga bembo doon. Ayan ito, nililinis ang bakuran ko. Kabilang ito ang pinakalikodan ng ating bahay. Pinakalikodan ng bahay ko, pinakalaki yun. Ipakikita ko ito pagka ito ay naayos ko na. May binabala kasi ako dahil dito sa lugar ko ito. masyadong masukal itong aking lugar na ito, pero unti-unti lang nalilinis sa laki ng backyard ko. Hindi ko na masikaso eh. Napakalaki ng backyard ko, malaki pa doon sa tinatayuan ng bahay ko. Bahay ko. Yan, maganda na ang bako dito sa likod eh, dahil ito eh color bond na eh. Color bond na. Kaya lang hindi ko maduktuhan nga yung harapan. Kaya pinaparinis ko yung bamboo. Kita nyo, maraming puno pa dyan, pagpuputol ko lahat yan. This in action. Bali ang naglilinis sa amin na enjoy pa yung anim na tao. Ganito dito eh. Pwede ka kumuha ng isang agency ng naglilinis sa'yo. Ang general cleaning na ito, every month na sa ang naglilinis nila. Babalik ka rito, babalik every end of the month. Hindi ko na makaya ang linis ng tumasang backyard sa dami kong ginagawa. Pero ilinis ko na lang. Australian hard worker. Pangkat ng puno, equipment sila eh, complete equipment sila, kaya maayos naman ako naman.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn it on. So when you want to turn it on, you just press that down.
Alright, here in action. Maedad na babae na yun, pero nagtatrabaho pa rin sila kasi yung mga Australian hindi talaga masisipag. Yung mga Australian naman hindi gaano, easy lang, pero yung mga Australian hindi na masisipag talaga. Complete gear.
Also.
Ano sila sa harapan ng bahay ko?
Carl, does it get chucked first or what?
Ang ganda rin. What's up there? That what is this one? What's that leaves?
That big green,
Yeah, just no, not big branch. This
the
one,
palm tree.
the palm tree.
Oh, you want that too?
Just the thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Hang you my backyard, you know. Hirap na hirap sila. Hirap na hirap sila dahil marami silang pinutol sa aking harapan. Palm tree malalaki. Saka itong puno ito, hindi ko alam kung anong puno ito. Siyempre ito, sinisira ang aking bubong. So, ma-mess up ang harapan ko dahil inipo ko lahat yan yung mga gamit. That's good now, ha? Gigiba ito kasi itong bakod na ito kana mapalpad ko ng bago. Ganito lang ang kamalit ko yan. Kalutsina. Parang katulad ng sa kabila. Sa likod meron din kasi akong maliit na dirty kitchen sa likod. Pag gusto kong magluto ng tuyo, dito ko ginagawa para hindi nangangamoy sa bahay. Yan, maliit lang ito. Parang prituhan ko lang ng mga tuyo pag ako'y nagagawa ng tuyo. Balkonahing maliit ito, tinulong ko lang. Itong lugar na ito, pinalilinis ko yan. Yan. Ito ang binabalak kong maglagay dito ng isang decking.
Hey, Frank,
Yeah.
if I cut these,
Ha?
I'll cut these off the fence, but
The hula will.
you're gonna lose
Yeah,
the canopy.
nah, that's why only
only these ones from here.
maybe from there to there. That's it.
Because they even
Because this one is the one.
Yeah,
This one
that
is the
whole-
one holding
here,
everything.
yeah.
Yeah, only that one.
Just those ones
Yeah.
here, and those
And
ones
that's,
there. Yeah,
but I
okay.
don't know how we can get in there.
Oh, we're just gonna have to cut them and leave them.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it already like that?
Well, we're not legally allowed in her yard.
I know. Yeah, I know.
So we'll just have to. If she complains, well, I'll go in and get them. Yeah.
But that one is for sale. Sold already.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's all right then.
Yeah, that's why I was surprised. Only 3 days, I think it's sold already.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Binabalak na lagay yung aming kit, yung aming outdoor kitchen para hindi kami nagkukukin sa Pinoy OC. Dito namin siya harapin sa tabi ng mga boat ko. Ayan. Ito. Yung mga boat ko sa tabi. Itong side na ito, nakikita kong magandang lugar para ilagay yung kitchen namin. Yung sa fishing lang, yung nagluluto. No oil?
Needs a drink.
That need fuel.
Where's your border? Is this your border?
Yeah, that wire, my border. So outside that wire, only all the places. Ano, ang dahil pang tambak dito. Pero mukhang puno na yung aking isang escape. Pang-apat na yun eh. Maaaring kukuha pa kami ng isang escape. Hanapin na putol eh. I never know. I thought that escape is okay.
No, I was thinking too.
Huh?
But no, I've ordered another one, so we still have a lot to go yet. A lot of cleaning up to do yet.
yeah. Alright. Maybe Elizabeth will shock.
Oh, the skip thing guy loves me.
Yeah, I know. They will love you now. Maybe next time you have a discount now.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Hey, what do you want to do with this?
Ito na yung truck na malaki. ito na yung isang ano, ito na yung truck na kukuha nung pang sabi ano na to eh 1, 2, 3, 4 pang 1, 2, 3
It goes hooked to the front of the truck, doesn't it?
ay,
Sorry?
It goes hooked to the front of the truck.
Yeah, just if you just pop them down like that.
Right, yeah.
what number is keep this one? Pin? This is number?
Sorry?
Number
This is number 4, that one's number 5.
number 5. This is number 4. Pull. So, ang gagawin nila ay ibababa yun doon sa empty. Ibababa sa empty. Tapos pipuin uli para dadalhin din sa aking gate para iiwanan uli yan. Yun ang number 5. Okay. That's the technique. Yan. Bali 5 skip. Pinupos ng aking mga basura. Trimming ng trees, backyard cleaning. Mga kapitbahay ko. Susunod, linisin nila yung bubong ng bahay ko. Ayun yung boss, mag-asawa yun iiwanan yung pang-5.
Let's go, back in there, mate. Pang-apas dadalhin yan.
sa traffic. Ito ang aking trabaho ngayong araw na ito. Dalawang araw na namin nililinis ng aking bakuran. Si Pras medyo pagod eh, kagaling lamang niya sa camping. Okay, alright. So ayun na, dinala na yung pang apat. So sila naman continue sa uli ng pagtatrabaho. Pupurin uli nila itong charcoal na kasa na lahat dito. Okay, nag-start na silang purin uli yung pulling tip. Beautiful, yes. Alright, thank you very much, Phil. Still have a small hood. Sana ituloy-tuloy yung suportahan ang panonood sa mga susunod pa naming adventure. Boss is just poison everything so that it will not go back again. Spray the poison. Ayan sila, nilinis nila yung lugar na yun.
What do you think of the Filipino president, Prime Minister?
What's that?
What do you think of the Filipino president?
No, imagine you're my video.
Oh, he's a good guy.
He's a good guy.
I don't mind killing drug dealers. It's a good idea.
Ano? Nilagyan na ng lason yun. Ayan, ayos na. Simula dito. Simula dyan, yun. Kinat yung ginawa nila, kinat nila yung bamboo. Ayan, pinalabas nila ang aking bako, nilinis nila, oh. Yeah, this man from Cebu. He went to Cebu.
Guapo. Guapo?
Guapo.
Which one's man?
So, are you Australian or
Yeah.
New Zealand or
Australian.
Australian?
Yeah.
Ah.
I just speak properly. They probably can't tell.
No,
I'll talk to you. Hey, Gama, what are you doing? You good? You good guy? Have a good day, hey?
How about you?
Good, Italian.
Ah, Italian. You born there or born here? Are you plan to come back to Cebu one day?
No, it's a one time, just training. The guy that started the business in Australia had to go to the Philippines
Ah.
or be arrested here.
Yeah, but you go back there, it's good day. When you go back there, it's good
Yeah.
day. But when there's no police,
Yeah, no, I've had all my stuff. Yeah, I'm done travelling. No more travelling.
yeah, too much.
Done.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Very good.
Yeah, that's good.
Wish I could see you
Thanks,
again.
Phil.
See you in a month's time.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So everything is in there. Thank you very much, huh?
Yep, no worries.
Yep.
Pleasure.
All right.
So we'll book you in for a month's time,
Yeah.
and we'll come back.
Yeah. Say, I said to all viewers, Pinoy viewers here in Australia, if they need to clean the backyard,
Yep.
contact
I'm
Phil,
the guy.
James Mowing.
That's it. That's
Yeah.
one. James Home Services. That's the one.
James Services.
Yeah. Yep.
All right.
Yep. All good. Excellent.
Thank you very much, huh?
Thanks, Frank.
Yep. It's okay. It's all right.
Oh, take my glove off. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very
All
much.
right, have a good day.
So they will come back here just to pick up this thing.
They'll probably come back later today.
Okay, thank you very much. All right. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you very much.
It's all right.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
You will see this one in my channel, you know.
Make me famous.
You'll become famous, the James movie.
That's it.
Phil and Lisa. You know? And oh, it's
Did you get a
Phil
shot?
too, huh?
I don't exist.
Huh?
Did you get a shot with your shirt off before when you lubed him up at the car? You must be 18 plus to view this channel. Just Phil getting sunscreened. I saw it from over the servo and I was shocked.
Yeah, yeah.
What's they doing?
See? That's it. Hi, Phil.
Yeah, I know, and I'm over there.
That's the one he learned Cebu.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
It's only sexual harassment if you
Huh?
don't like it.
Oh, that,
Yeah,
yeah.
Yeah, the way I don't like it, the way I do it, they don't like it.
Oh, very good.
All right.
Happy with the job?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Too much. I'm very happy. Thanks for your help. You know, I know very hard for you, but this only once a year maybe. Every month.
Every
Just
month.
come here and
Sounds good.
yeah. Okay. I'll tell Elizabeth what happened.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Maybe I see this one
Yeah, yeah,
video to
put it on the
Elizabeth. Okay, it's okay if I put you in that my channel, huh? It's okay.
Sorry?
It's okay to you if I put this one in my channel.
Yeah, but I want $10 for every like
Yeah,
you get on your
yeah. Every
channel,
like I
right?
give you $10.
He's going to be sitting at home tonight just liking it.
You see, all my viewers,
We're rich as
you have
Nazis.
to view too much because I have to pay $10 each, you know.
I just set up that little bird, you know, the...
Oh, yeah, the one that drinks the water. Yeah.
All right,
Very good.
I'll let
Mate,
you.
is Leon coming or are we going to drop you
No,
off?
you got to drop me off apparently.
Yeah.
I've got to go and get my SQ.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.
Don't
Don't
forget.
forget to hit that like button and subscribe.